We are in the Adapt studio and I'm speaking with Chris Bradley, who will be delivering a 3-day course on data management fundamentals. Chris, can you briefly explain the overall goal of this workshop?
Sure. The goal is to ensure that people understand what the different disciplines of data management are. There's a lot of misunderstanding in that. And to help them prepare for their data management fundamentals exam for the CDMP qualification from DAMA.
Okay. Now, it's a 3-day workshop, so there's a lot of topics that you'll be covering, but can you briefly walk us through the key topics that you'll be covering these days?
Certainly. There's, in the DMBOK, the Data Management Body of Knowledge, there are 11 disciplines of data management. These are called knowledge areas. And there's a number of business factors because culture change is one of the really key things. So the most important disciplines that we call the core disciplines of these 11 are data quality management, data modeling, master and reference data management, metadata management, data warehousing and business intelligence. And we'll actually wrap in a little bit of big data into this. And the thing that is really kind of like the beating heart or the brain of all of these disciplines is data governance. And data governance is essential to glue, to hold, and to orchestrate all of these. So those are really kind of the core topics that we'll be going through, and we'll touch upon the other disciplines as well.
Okay, and who is it for? What are the job titles that you typically see attending this course?
That's an interesting question because there's many different people who are interested in this, but most typically we see data architects, solution architects, process modelers, data modelers. Very frequently we see project managers and people who are involved in data strategy, such as data stewards, senior data stewards, and occasionally we have some business leaders and executives, but predominantly it's for the data architecture community.
Well, thank you very much, Chris, for the explanation.